Cheers.
Hi, mate.
Thank you. I'm good.
Thank you. So this is a train. Yay.
G'day, and welcome aboard. I'm one of Bendigo's biggest trams. I'd like to take you back to the beginning of Bendigo's story by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land on which we live today, the judge. Coming up on our left is the
Cathedral.
the largest cathedral in Australia. As we pass by, note the statue at the front of the cathedral. It is Mary the Killer, Australia's first New Street runs up the hill to our gallery and living art space. To our left is the historic Conservatory Gardens. Erected in 1892, it is the oldest public conservatory in Victoria. The conservatory is significant. Opened in 1903, it is the oldest operating tram depot in Australia. The depot is home to our renowned workshop, where trams are meticulously restored to their former glory or repurposed as cafes, accommodation, and even school classrooms. Enjoy a coffee or light meal at the Tram Cafe, situated within the school museum. The cafe and museum is open days.
Liverpool Ale from the heart of the Beatles. Yeah, that's the one, yeah.
The other pool.
Bananas.
Come back to There
There you go. That's your mate. No worries.
As Bendigo's gold rush exploded, so too did its population. There was a large horse-drawn cattle fleet servicing the city. So many who came to Bendigo in search of gold found their wealth in other ways. We're now approaching the Tysons Reef precinct. If you wish to get off here, please pull the left-hand bell cord once, mind the step and use the handrail as you leave the tram. Listed beehive building, built in 1872 and designed by renowned architect Charles Webb. It was originally home to the Bendigo Mining Exchange. We're now in Bendigo's shopping and dining precinct. This one-stop foodie paradise epitomises Bendigo's food culture, and marching bands play "Now is the Hour, We Must Say Goodbye." The idea of trams vanishing from Bendigo didn't sit easy with the community. 5,000 signatures were collected on a petition to get a plant deed, the god of war and prosperity, to whom the temple is dedicated. Check with the opening hours.